Hi everyone, Joshua here with Barista Warehouse, and today we're going to check out the Brewista Smart Scale II. This is a great value set of scales for espresso or filter brewing and are full of functionality and very responsive and quick to display. They'd make a great set of scales for use in home or in a cafe. The scale has an inbuilt timer, which is great for all types of brewing, and they're accurate to 1/10 of a gram, so 0.1 of a gram, which is really impressive and have a total weight capacity of 2 kilograms. The scales are small enough to fit within an espresso machine drip tray, and they come with a silicone pad that can assist in the protection for the load cells against heat and water. But the scales themselves are water resistant with a nano coating that repels water, so you don't have to be too concerned about the extra couple of drips onto them. The Brewista Smart Scales have a rechargeable inbuilt battery too that's compatible with any micro USB cord. And there's also a clear protective case for travel or storage, and you can use this tray to weigh out your beans as well. In using the scales, you have an on-off button, and there's also a time button to start the timer, and a tear button to zero off your scales. And there's auto functions for these as well, found within the 6 different weighing modes, each mode offering something slightly different depending on your needs. Mode 1 is full manual operation mode, so the scales will weigh out, but you'll need to manually tear the scales and press the timer button to start timing. Mode 2 is an espresso brewing mode. This will auto tear the scales once you place the cup on the scales, and then it will immediately start the timer. Remove the cup to stop the timer. Mode 3 is another espresso brewing mode. Here your scales will auto tear once a cup is placed on them again, but you'll start the timer manually. When you remove the cup, the timer will stop. Mode 4 has an auto tear function when you place the cup on the scales, but the timer is inactive. And Mode 5, an interesting mode, similar to Mode 2, it will auto tear the cup, but then the timer will only start when liquid hits the cup. And Mode 6, somewhat similar to Mode 5, but it is a pour over or manual brewing mode. This lets you place the brewer on the scales, and then it will tear the brewer automatically. Place your coffee grinds into the brewer and hit tear once more manually. Then the scales will auto start the timer the moment you begin adding water to the brewer. Just remove the whole brewer and the timer will stop. The mode you're in will be displayed in the left-hand corner of the LCD screen. And in all these modes, your final time and weight will be displayed for 5 seconds. There's also an auto off function to the scales, and its set default is 3 minutes, but you can make this quicker if you want. And that's the Brewista Smart Scale II for you, a reliable and affordable choice for espresso brewing scales, but would also make a great set of regular home or cafe scales. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can keep up to date with our latest videos. Until then, take care of yourselves.